Welcome back for our tutorial. Today I want to show you how to disassemble your 1858 Remington revolver. Being a black powder revolver, you need to clean the gun after every single shooting section. First, you need to remove the cylinder, rolling the cylinder that way. It's not necessary remove the loading lever, but if you want to clean the gun, you need to remove the grip and of course you need to remove the mainspring so that you can release the hammer. Usually you need a small hammer to do that, so you need to keep your gun a little higher. It's something that is not easy to do on the range, but if you do that at home, you can prepare your table and you can disassemble the gun without problem. As see, there's a specific sequence that you have to follow in order to remove every single part of this 1858. It's almost done. You can remove the last screw, and then you need to remove the end. That's it. Now your gun is ready to be cleaned after your shooting section. I wait for you for next tutorial.